Hatt Kitchens. We care about our customers and pride ourselves on the quality and service we provide. To remove the drawer front, you must first remove the Hatt cover plate and locate the push button on each side. Once located, push both buttons in and lift the front of the drawer off. Underneath the drawer, you will find a thin tab on each side. Push these tabs in to release the drawer tray. Once the tabs have been released, carefully lift the drawer tray out. To reassemble the drawer, simply place the drawer tray back onto the rails and gently push the whole drawer back into the unit until it clicks. Once the drawer is firmly in place, you will need to reattach the drawer front. Carefully slot the drawer front into the front of the tray and push down until you feel a light click. The drawer is now ready to use again. Hatt Kitchens, passionate about design, renowned for value.